Kasing New Tribute Council HYC West Khasi Hills ringkat kedor barsnong ruang haka arpo artrik unailur kalahir ban khang talai ka office trikam jong ka karkhana Ferro Alloy Factory ruang bat pha shutdown no ya baro ka karkhana hadin bakwe ka longkmi na ketika shnong ka laja na lashnong da ka bala subar jurru ba kala sha ra bor haute nong trei bar jilla ubatrei hakati ka karkhana Kani ka jinglik khang tala jong ka HYC bat ka dor barsnong kadi halor ka jing keno pakati ka karkhana kamshim la shimkhia bat te lakam yala unong trei la jong namar bola yo lait lan klem da te kendon bat na kaliang jong ka sing harangkat ka snong kilaong ba ka karkhana kadi ban wat bat penyo ekati ka longmi bat an sa sha ban plibyang yaka Katkum ka jinga thu usordar ka snong uba idkhar loong bakate ka jingja kala jana du ka khan retrik unailar haka bakate ka longkmi ka blatip kerteng kum ka edalin khar deu saw badakate ka ju ka sngi unong trei ka tika karkhana balatip kerteng kum midrul boro ula jalang Halor kani ka jingja na kaliang jong ka snong harangkat ki bayeng jong ka tika longkmi kila dep ruban ujor da ka ehjar hanong stone police station menha ka khat new trik unailur bat na kaliang jong ki pulet kidang yele ban wat ka tika longkmi lembat ute unong trei bar jella ki balaja
If you want to cooperate with us, then for the bridge also. So please shut down the factory till the woman start here. Biar kan kita?
Iya. Kamu itu belum apa?
Sampai jam berapa itu sudah belum? Pukul 10.
Police is FIR already done by the police is in contact with me. They asked us what is the status. They had blocked police already. They were here in time.
Sorry, according to the agreement, if you cooperate with the villages, then you should not allow the police to go down the law. Because you have cooperate with the villages.
How can you stop police from doing that manner? Can I stop?
Yes. Why can you are the owner of this factory? Why?
Police is taking any action. Police won't do that.
Why do you take action against the factory? Because we know that from our side, the village also tell us that
Once it is time to properly discuss it.
no, they have changed it. They have changed. We know properly. So we will just allow you to go back, then we will lock from here. You see, from the villages, according to the agreement, they want to cooperate. But you don't accept it. So if you accept it, then you must cooperate with them. You know how to build the lock. Then now, if you cooperate with them, so let's shut down the factory. Let's shut down the factory. For a while. Okay. Just for a while. So that the owner of the company, they will take full responsibility to bring back the man and the woman who have run away from this place. Then after that, you can run.
He's coming. He got the wrong.
Turja perang!
Spijkerie!
Turja perang!
Spijkerie!
Turja perang!
Spijkerie!
Naru mesti saja kalau ajak kau kalau kami yang ni. Hadirin bagi lakli bah yang bau weru nak neka factory yang ni nong tray yang neka Ferro Alloy yang nerbiang ujak lah entah apa. Dan nak lihat jungi lawan ban kali nak naduk di bahagian macam yang kasih nong ru nak lihat jungi kila jawab bah. Kintip balai gajah, balai gajah te lasi bagai gajah kidnap jungnu baterai hamtam tahu baca nak neka factory. Te nak lihat jungi ka seng nilakli ka nak lihat jaga senong, ka senjam bagai senong ka sim. Te nak lihat ka senong di orang bah senjam ka bagai sim dari bagai senong kalong. Bakin khang factory hadu bakin dawan rapat yang tak kalong kumi yang ka senong hak neka senong hang nerbiang. Te ki orang mensisngi bila wan khang ni factory hendai menin bila pun changi ki orang bah nak lihat ngintip lah kadeka police department lah kadeka nak lihat jang i try jang factory gila pli biang ya tak katala ke balakang dak ka snong te nak lihat jang ngi wan hak ni ko por Iwan ban khang ya kenika factory hang ni laong ru pada ban sange no ban trai bat ngi menta gila sedau gi mesin ru te naglian jungi ngim dan kanu kebangin ong handai tang kawe kelong ba kane ka factory ha bakawan ban trai hang ni kade ban gurom ya ki kendan jo kasnong nadu ka agreement ka balaya soi ha ka spotrik munai balai arja sukhau kala de ban yate ba kinu ki jing kin ya perkhat lang reka basosi long lara kasnong kawan ha kini bru jong factory hang ni kim kren kim pensai gile bum sinyo gile he ya kata te naglian jungi kum kasang iwan hang ni khang na factory tat hadu ba đây vẫn phần thái biang ya ta ka bru jungi wala ja hang ni te khnang ba hadin kata nagliang jungi ka song sa ka snong ban perkhan bai ngi ka sa na snong ne jungi la kala poi ka bru hang ni ta ki pliru ek ta nagliang jungi nom tutlat bai menta lo ki de ban le kata ka menta yo jai ni ka bru hang ni po snong manu ban bakli te ada ngilak li ka factory kala ne man bakli lar ka factory kamla ban bakli de sange shwa bantrai tat hadu bangin dayu i yang tan kuikan thai snong